welcome to another video, and today's video we have given a question: x power x equals to 2 power square root of 200. Let's provide solution very quickly. Okay, and the first thing here is to copy what we have. We have x power x, which equals to 2 power square root of 200. And of course here we can say x power x equals to 2 power square root of 100 times square root of times 2 times square root of 2. Right, okay. And of course this is what we have right here. And of course this is x power x, which equals to 2 power square root of 100 is equal to 10 square root of 2. And of course we shall write x power x, which is equal to 2, and this 2 can be written as square root of 2 then squared, and here this can be powered to 10 square root of 2. And of course here we have x power x, which equals to what? And of course here we have square root of 2 can be written as the square root of 2, right? Then power 2 times 10 square root of 2, which is equal to x power x, which is equal to square root of 2 power 20 square root of 2. Right, of course. Now here have x power x, which is equal to square root of 2. Then this 20 can be changed into 5 times 4 square root of 2. Right, then here x power x equals to square root of here 2, then power 5, then power 4 square root of 2 again. And here x power x will be half square root of 2 power 5. This can be square root of 2 times 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 square root of 2. It is 5 times, then power this one 4 square root of 2. Alright, here this is x power x, which is equal to, this is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4 square root of 2, then power 4 square root of 2, which is the same as this one and this one. We can equalize each one from power to the base. Then here x will be 4 square root of 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe. Bye bye.